Out here, about to fire up the old truck. Not running so hot. Started up again yesterday with no belt or anything on it, and it's bad. It's right here, and it's real bad. I've got one secondary chain, one main chain, all the tensioners, all the swing arms, all the plastic guides, everything. So here's our fresh chain. Two go on the small one. The one goes on the big one. When it is right, it will line up, this will fall on, and it is literally almost impossible to not have this in proper time. Time to go ahead and pop back on our cover. We're good to go. Well, there you have it, folks. Quiet as a church mouse. No more clickety-clack.